You have to do some work on them. Generally, that work means that you have to, again, have that software in place. You have to have the CRM sitting there to help you with that process. As I often say, salespeople never get burnout by being on sales calls with prospects. They get burnout by doing all of these non-productive activities. And curiously enough, most of those non-productive activities, like making calls they don't get answered, or delivering emails, or sending text messages, actually can be automated in a good way by leveraging the CRM system. And so that's kind of the second tip is really have that system doing some of those repetitive tasks that technology is really good at, so that you aren't putting yourself in that negative feedback loop for most of your day, and you're spending and this is for sales directors and organizations that have sales teams as well. You want that high dollar resource actually talking to customers, not just like hand manually sending out emails and text messages and stuff like that.